In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows PC using the Brave browser. This is a great way to make YouTube feel like a dedicated app, instead of just another tab in your browser. It will get its own icon, its own window, and it'll be easier to access right from your desktop or taskbar. First, make sure you have the Brave browser installed and updated on your Windows computer. If you're already using Brave for browsing, you're good to go. Open Brave and in the address bar at the top, type in youtube.com and press enter. Wait for the YouTube homepage to fully load. You should see the familiar layout with the search bar at the top, the sidebar on the left, and video thumbnails in the main area. Now, we're going to turn this website into what's called a progressive web app, or PWA. This basically lets Brave treat YouTube like a standalone app. Look toward the top right corner of the Brave window, near the address bar. You should see a small computer monitor icon with a down arrow, or an option that says something like Install YouTube or Install App. If you don't see it right away, make sure the page is fully loaded and that you're on the main youtube.com site, not a specific video link. Click that Install option. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install YouTube as an app. Confirm by clicking Install. Brave will now create a separate app window for YouTube. You'll notice the YouTube window that opens no longer has the usual browser tabs and address bar at the top. Instead, it looks and behaves much more like a native application. At this point, YouTube is installed as an app on your PC. Check your desktop and your Start menu for a new YouTube icon. If you want quick access, right-click the icon and choose to pin it to your taskbar or Start menu. That way, you can open YouTube just like you would any other program on your computer, without first launching Brave and typing in the address. From now on, whenever you open YouTube, using this new shortcut, it will open in its own clean window, keeping it separate from your other browsing. This can help reduce clutter and make multitasking a lot easier. That's all you need to do to install the YouTube app on your Windows PC using the Brave browser.